How to fix Valorant transaction declined. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant transaction declined. At first, you will need to close your game and restart it again and again. And after restarting, open your search tab over at your PC and then look for Windows Firewall. Just search for Firewall. Then click on Firewall and Network Settings. Then in here, click on Open. Now you will be redirected to another window. In here, click on Allow an app through Firewall. Once you click on it, another pop-up will appear. You can access this in the bottom right. It should be highlighted. Then in here, you will need to scroll down. Then look for Branch Cache Content Retrieval. In here, you will need to check both public and private. Now scroll up and then look for Apache HTTP server. Then allow private as well. Now click on OK. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye-bye.